Good morning from a beautiful sunny day in Colorado. I'm Lana Tolbert from Lianro Metal Roofs, otherwise known as Roof Lady. And today we're talking about radiant barrier and how you can insulate the stone-coated steel roofs. So you can see here, the roof is on a 2x2 grid. These are nailed to the rafters, and then the panels interlock over top of this. So this makes a perfect condition for the radiant barrier. It's the technology used with NASA so that the spaceships didn't burn up coming back into the atmosphere. So what the radiant barrier does is makes the insulation more insulated. Insulation just knows it's supposed to absorb energy. It doesn't know if it's absorbing good or bad energy. It's just absorbing energy. So the radiant barrier reflects 97% of the gained energy back up and reflects 87% of the energy back into the home. So it makes about R14 or possibly a 20-degree difference in the home. So that's this episode of Radiant Barrier. See you next time.
Thanks for watching our channel. We hope you learned something that will help you save time and money when buying a metal roof. For a free roof buyer's protection kit valued at $347, please visit lianro.com for the instant download. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.